with a quick review of the Rhodes wireless microphone system. I realized that by doing YouTube videos, I need better sound quality, so I'm going to evaluate the Rhodes Wireless Go microphone. I'm beginning this video using the microphone from my iPhone, and I will cut over to the Rhodes Wireless Go system. The Wireless Go is an ultra-compact digital wireless microphone system, which is unique in its clip-and-go versatility. Rhodes claims that this wireless mic is the perfect solution for filmmakers, on-camera presenters, newsgatherers, and vloggers. The Wireless Go transmitter is compact and weighs 31 grams and acts as either a quick, easy, clip-on wireless microphone or as the world's smallest belt pack transmitter for a lavalier microphone. So here's the mic on the transmitter, and the microphone, it has a TRRS tip ring and sleeve input, which is here. The Wireless Go's quick clip-on capabilities make it flexible to a variety of quick action recording. The receiver and transmitter come with a couple quick charging cables, USB cables. The receiver is just as compact as the transmitter and also weighs only 31 grams. Its dual purpose mount sits snugly on your camera, on the shoe mount, or it clips easily onto your camera strap or item of clothing. Now, the supplied 3.5mm TRRS output cable plugs into your computer's audio input or into your recorder, GoPro or iPhone. Now, on my iPhone, I need an adapter. It comes with iPhone. My iPhone is an iPhone 8. Now, you'll need an adapter, a TRRS to a TRRS. See here, and this is sold separately. So when you plug this into your phone, you'll have to plug this in also. I'm going to switch over to the wireless transmitter and receiver now. Now, the Wireless Go also comes in white. This makes it even easier to conceal when placed on light color clothing or in a brighter environments. Now, perfect for filmmakers whose subjects regularly wear bright clothes, wedding videographers and business professionals, shooting events, interviews, and more. The Wireless Go also has two windscreens. It also comes in white. So this makes it even easier to conceal when placed on light colored clothing or in a brighter environment. Perfect for filmmakers whose subjects regularly wear bright clothes, wedding videographers and business professionals, shooting events, interviews, and more. Now, what I liked about this wireless system is its portability, sound clarity, and fashionable comfort. What I didn't like, though, was that it's a bit pricey for a wireless audio transmitter and receiver. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please press the like button and subscribe.